This is like a pretty cool street. San Domenico. Domenico. Say Dominic? So we're gonna walk down that way and just kind of check out all the artwork as well. Got a church up there. Got restaurants up here. Lots of cool artwork everywhere around this area. So we're gonna head on down to this little alley and check it all out. Okay, that's gonna be our focus alley. There's a lot of cool artwork everywhere. So we're gonna go down that, check it all out. Okay. We're done. Looks like actually you can also sit and drink right there too. Let's kind of go down and check it all out. Very cool. A lot of cool artwork everywhere too. That's really cool. Amazing. Virgin Mary's. Okay, let's check this out. They're kind of funny as well. Okay. It's a pretty colorful street actually. This kind of blocks the motorcycles, which is great. So the windows look like that. Now we got a crosswalk. Oh wow. Very cool. More artwork down on that side as well. Space art. Very beautiful street. Okay, let's see.
Stiamo a Villa.
Pretty cool artwork everywhere. Very cool. You just kind of flip around a little bit. Got more kind of cool artwork everywhere. Very interesting street. Looks like we're gonna come out to a plaza here. Okay. So we come out to this big space. Very interesting. San Domenico. I think it's like St. Dominic's. Okay. So I'm just gonna come back and then we're gonna end our video. There with this pepperoni. Right there.
Non dispiace più a me, non voglio dire da te, tutti i ricordi, una mano che così, ma non devono così, grazie, non devo tirare, ma come fanno a pigliare tu? Voglio sera titoli, e titoli, anche la Spagna, titoli,